Regen FX tonight celebrated all the work that they've been doing over the last year. We had what we call an SOS night, which is not an emergency, it's just about stories of success, where we showed examples of the different types of work that's happened over 2007 and 2008.
Tonight's very much a celebration of the achievements of young people over the last year and a half. Part of the problem we have is not promoting enough of the work they do within communities and informing people, communicating that we're actually promoting good behaviour, positive attitudes amongst young people, and you can see from tonight the atmosphere that young people are enjoying themselves. And tonight's also about rewarding them by giving them certificates and saying this is fantastic what you're doing within the community, and challenging the idea of young people being involved consistently in anti-social behaviour, which is not always the case.
Tonight I'm here promoting Extreme FX and the sports coaching Regen FX, both of which I've been part of since the start of the year. It's totally worthwhile to any young person that wants to go further in life. It's such a great opportunity.
We only deliver youth diversion activities, which is youth work that we put in place to try and divert young people from getting involved in youth disorder, antisocial behaviour. We try to get involved in alternatives to alcohol, and we use sports in particular as a natural high to replace things that young people might get involved in, like drinking drugs. The awards that we gave out tonight were particularly important on the basis that they are actually recognising the efforts and the work of teams of young people who have been working relentlessly doing youth work, but most importantly communities and parents and young people who have put themselves forward and said they're going to organise youth activities in their area. For Regen FX, none of the work that we do would be able to be done without the volunteers and the young people coming forward and saying they want to do a bit of that. If you're out there and you're interested in getting involved with Regen FX, it's dead simple. Our door's always open, merely a phone call away, so please feel free to contact us.